It's not something Hello, welcome to West Yorkshire Engine Services based in the big UK. Big thank you to all you guys who subscribe to this channel. And in this video, you know what my channel is all about, is to prevent you from spending fortunes on your Nissan Navara that's not necessarily needed. Now, one of the things that I'd always promise you is whenever we get something new into the workshop, we would share that with you so you can see for your own experiences what we go through being a Nissan engine specialist. Now, I had my fingers burnt big time last year by a company called Imex Parts, that when we wasn't able to get a BGA kit because they were on back order, we used another company called Imex, and they sent us their branded own chain kits, and we fitted it to this engine 2 years ago. And this particular vehicle's come back to us after doing 50,000 miles, and the app's timing train is absolutely obliterated. It's broken both the camshafts. It's taken, look at that, it's taken all the teeth off of there. Top timing chain guide smashed to pieces, and this is just after 50,000 miles. All that smashed to pieces. Chains give way there. Timing chain cover. Top banana guide, look, the bolt holes, the bolts are still in there, so they're torqued. 12mm there, 6mm Allen key there. And it's just chewed all the gears to death. So it'll have bent valves and this, that and the next thing. So our lesson from that is in the future, even though they can be on back order and I'll have to wait, I'm afraid I wait. I will not use any other chain kit, and that's proof of that. And the damage is quite severe. Like I said, it's only done 50,000 miles. So what you need to do, you need to check with the person who's supplying the chain, who's responsible for the warranty. See, the thing with BGA is it's engineered in the UK and comes with a British-backed manufacturer's warranty. So you get 12 months warranty on these parts. So I hope this video has been very informative for you. Like I said, BGA is probably the best kit to use. A big thank you for you watching. I'll keep you updated on new things that we're getting on the workshop all the time. Thanks for watching. Come again. Find us on Facebook. Need my help and assistance at all? Give me a call on 01274 663 999 or email westyorkshireengines@gmail.com. Thanks again. And one more thing before you go, I quickly need to show you, and it's a really good test that you'll get to see this. Somebody sent me a cheap chain kit as an upgrade kit off eBay. I don't know how much they paid for it, but there's a test that you can do, and quite simply, shaking it from side to side. Can you hear that? And now here's a quality chain. Doing the same thing. Can you hear that? Right guys, that's because there's that much movement within them links. And that's where your noise is coming from. So it just proves how poor quality that chain is. And I wouldn't dare fit that to a customer's car. Absolutely no way. That'll be going in the bin. So thanks for watching. Come again. Give us a like.